Say no to bland grilled chicken and make this marry me chicken instead. This recipe comes together in under 30 minutes and will leave you speechless. Start by slicing some red onion, roughly chopping some sun-dried tomatoes, and mincing some garlic. Season boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Add olive oil to a skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts and cook on both sides until golden. Add butter to the same pan and add the onions. Saute for a few minutes until softened, then add the garlic. Cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour the broth, add the sun-dried tomatoes and paprika, and season with salt and pepper. Add heavy cream, stir, then return the chicken to the skillet. Bring to a simmer, cover, and allow to simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Top with Parmesan cheese, garnish with fresh herbs, and enjoy.